In this YakManPro episode, I'm out with Henry Martin and Kleep from Pig Patrol, and we're hunting the biggest freshwater species in North America, the infamous Alligator Gar. Stay tuned on our Pig Patrol. When gar fishing, we like to set up along slack water on the bank and not over the fish. From there, we set out rod holders and make deliveries. We're at 12 feet right now, and I am running out a little bluegill. Bullet head down. Let's go straight to the anchor. This is our basic setup.
We can also fillet a carp.
Put out as many lines as we need to and cover out this whole stretch. Got Henry taking out another bait with Ty. Guys are putting in work. It's gone, man, it's gone. Alright guys, this is what a gar run looks like. He's moving. He's moving.
That line is just going.
Hey Henry, you're about to get spooled, bro. Here we go. Little needle nose. Going fishing, I always seem to forget one thing, and this time it was my gloves. I needed some help from Henry to boat this fish because it has razor sharp teeth on both ends of its really narrow mouth. After snapping a couple of fish bakes, we let this one go and got back at it. So Ty's got to run. They're taking the boat to go get it, but I'm gonna go ahead and go over there and record him. Ty's got one. I think it's a nice one too. Nice. Nice. This is an alligator gar, the exact species we're after, but this one is small and not the size we're after. That being said, I had to revive him using my Lucid grips. Check him out at lucidfishing.com. There's a link in the video description. Such thing as a freshwater mullet, you see it right here. Here we go. Mullet head down. Let's go straight to the anchor. When they say fishing is patience, generally I don't agree with that, but when it comes to alligator gar fishing, it really does. We can be here for an hour and not have a run, and then all of a sudden both rods could go off. You guys got another run off the bank. Pulling my baits in. Even a bite on this one. I might have to join him. Henry wants to put my skill to the test. We have no float on this rod. I haven't felt weight yet, but I know he's still moving. I have to get ahead. Oh, this one's a nice one. This has to be a nice one. Come on, tell me that's a run. Tell me that's a run. Oh. Got one! I'm on! Come on! Fish on! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, buddy! Woohoo! Not huge, but I got full of fight! Oh my god! Yeah! Long nose gar. Yeah, buddy, look at us moving. Where are you taking me, mister? I'm gonna take you out, won't you? Look at this beauty. I'm bringing him, I got him. Okay. Still got a lot of energy. This long-nosed gar was giving me a hard time to get in the boat. I didn't have my gloves, so I couldn't grab him by the snout again. And he just wasn't ready. Every time I put my legs out or get him close to the boat, he would freak out. And I didn't want him thrashing around. Just gonna have to horse him in. Dude, Henry, he's still feisty. A lot of power for a fish that small. After catching 2 long-nose and 1 small alligator gar, we decided to try another stretch of the river. And shortly afterwards, Ty got another one.
There you go, just stand just like that, nice and slow. Nice, man.
How big is that?
I don't know yet. I can't rope it yet because it's too crazy, so you're gonna have to fight him and shut your mouth first. George, come get some video of this, man.
Dude, it's 6 plus.
Yeah. Could be 150. We will. Can you believe that little run was that huge one? A little smaller, I thought it was. You're good. It might be right at 6 foot. There's some good video of it too.
Stretch it to 6. He was at 6 already, so he's at 5, so it's like another 8, 5, 8, 30 and 68. If she wants to go, don't try to hold on to her. You won't be able to. Wow, that was awesome. I got that. I got that. Awesome, dude. I got that with its mouth open. Alright, guys.
Thanks for tuning in. We had a great time on these gar adventures. Big thank you to our guide, Henry Martin of Sharkbait's guide service. There's a link below if you'd like to contact him to book your trip. Henry's helped put me on several monster fish this year.